morning glories are simply enchanting. Only the best for my favorite princess.
아쩌.
I picked the fairest rose in the garden, just for you.
It's perfect. Thank you.
Breathtaking. Only the best for my kingdom, princess. Oh my, that was close.
Look at all this, princess. It's magnificent.
Oh, the chefs have truly outdone themselves. Which one shall we try first?
Oh, they're beautiful. I want to try every single one.
Oh, Your Majesty, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Only the best for my favorite princess. Here is your half, Your Majesty. I hope you enjoy the berries.
It looks delicious, princess. Thank you. Are you enjoying the raspberry tart, my king?
Utterly splendid, princess. Do try one yourself.
This way, princess. I believe I've found the shortcut to the gardens.
How exciting! Lead the way, Your Majesty! These are no mere paintings. They are magical portraits of past feline royalty.
It's truly wonderful.
Oh, it's beautiful. Hello there, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I vow to help you uncover this royal secret.
Thank you. I knew I could count on you.
We finally did it, princess.
An adventure awaits us. A Pixar-style 3D anthropomorphic orange cat with a regal and adorable look.
Bibbidi-bobbidi snuzzle-doo.
Oh, Your Majesty, you are too cute. Oh, Your Majesty, look at the beautiful bubbles. Aren't they simply enchanting?
Wait, little kitten. That belongs to His Majesty. Please come back.
Thank you, Princess. That means a lot.
Of course, Your Majesty. Anytime. A secret passage. I can hardly believe it. Believe it, my dear. Shall we investigate?
Oh, look. Mèo Hoàng thượng. A whole new adventure awaits us.
It appears we are almost there. It's so lovely and warm. What do you think we'll find?
It appears we are almost there.
It's so lovely and warm. What do you think we'll find? Stay close, Princess. We wouldn't want you getting lost in the glowing moss.
Oh, look, Meo Wangtung. It's beautiful. I must touch it.
There, my love. Everything is going to be fine.
It's absolutely breathtaking.
Quite. And perhaps profitable.
It's beautiful.
Look what I found, Princess! It's beautiful, Your Majesty. Fear not, little one. We are the guardians of this realm, and you are safe. Welcome home, Princess Cat. We are delighted you have finally arrived. Thank you, Your Majesties. It is an honor. Seeing you here fills my heart with such warmth and hope.
Oh, my stars! What is that?
Fear not, Princess. I shall protect you. Esteemed Guardian, thank you for seeing me. I understand the risks, but I must respectfully request access to the ancient scrolls. Your loyalty touches my heart. We are grateful for your service. Please, rise.
That was quite the adventure, wasn't it, my dear? I am very proud.
It was, and I couldn't have done it without you. Oh, how lovely! The sunbeam caught it just right. Are your slippers bright enough to keep up, Princess? They shine brightest when the path is near its end.
We'll face it together.
I know.
Oh, Meo Wangtung, look at this place. It's magnificent.
Oh, look, Meo Wangtung. They're like giant desserts. Indeed, Princess. Quite fluffy.
Oh dear, your whiskers are quite stuck, Your Majesty.
It's not funny, Princess. Get it off. They are simply enchanting, aren't they? Quite. Almost as enchanting as you, my dear. Aren't you just precious? I love you so much.
Look, Your Majesty, a river of colors.
It seems our next adventure has arrived, Princess. Thank you for inviting me on this lovely journey.
The pleasure is all mine, Princess.
This river is magnificent.
It truly is. I believe it leads to the Whispering Falls. Meo Wangtung.
Oh, it sparkles so brightly.
Hey, you fluffy thief! Stop right there! We must retrieve the gem! We're gaining on it, Princess! Faster, Your Majesty! It's almost around the bend!
It's wonderful up here, isn't it?
Come along, let's see what's next! You can't just take whatever you want, Your Highness.
He meant no harm.
It is beautiful, though. Hey! Thank you all so very much!
We appreciate your loyalty.
That was the bravest thing I've ever seen, Your Majesty.
Quite. Look how high we are, Princess.
It's beautiful, Your Majesty. The whole world looks like a painting. Look at how brightly our kingdom shines tonight.
There, my dear. You're safe with me.
I've never seen anything quite so magical.
Look what I caught, Princess.
Oh, you are too charming.
It's lovely. Oh, look. It's magnificent.
Indeed, Princess. A fitting reward for our journey.
Welcome to the Cloud Kingdom, Princess.
It is breathtaking, Your Majesty. Truly magical. Your Majesty, where shall our adventure take us today?
To the Whispering Peaks, my dear Princess. Hold on tight.
Princess Cat is chosen to protect both realms. With a humble heart, I accept this duty. I promise to lead with kindness and courage. With a humble heart, I accept this duty. I promise to lead with kindness and courage.
My dearest princess, I promise to always support you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. That means the world to me.
Wow, they're beautiful.
Can I touch them? Go ahead, Princess. Your Majesty, your fur is looking exceptionally fluffy and radiant today.
Oh, Princess, you're too kind.
We made it back just in time for the sunset, Your Majesty.
Indeed, Princess. A splendid view after a splendid adventure.
Greetings, dear friends. It fills my heart with joy to welcome you here today. Welcome to our royal garden. We're so delighted you could join us. Thank you all for joining us tonight. We are so happy to celebrate with the entire kingdom. Look at all the beautiful hearts floating down from the sky.
Thank you for everything. Oh, look, Your Majesty. It's beautiful.
Indeed it is, Princess. A touch of magic for our day.
beautiful, Princess. You shine brighter than any sunset.
And your majesty is the most charming cat in the kingdom.
Sway with me now, soft and low. Just let the music guide you home.
I wonder what adventures await us in the garden today, Your Majesty.
Look, Your Majesty, the garden is waking up with a little kindness.
By my crown, that is truly astonishing, Princess.
Look, Your Majesty, they're dancing.
Let's join them. Oh, look, Your Majesty. It's beautiful.
Indeed it is, Princess. A touch of magic for our day.
Oh, look how it sparkles. Where is it taking us, Your Majesty?
To the heart of the garden, Princess. Follow me.
Me.
The colors are simply magical. I wonder if the petals taste like starlight. Look, Your Majesty, the garden is waking up with a little kindness.
By my crown, that is truly astonishing, Princess.
Look, Your Majesty, they're dancing.
Let's join them. Oh, look at all the pretty flowers. I caught one.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, Your Majesty. They are so beautiful.
I want to catch one. A little kindness can brighten the whole world. Look at this kingdom, Princess. All this beauty, protected by me.
And a very handsome protector you are.
Why are you hiding? You are the most handsome cat in the kingdom. There. Now we are truly together, my love. Oh, how perfectly wonderful. Only the best for my princess.
Quite the spectacle, wouldn't you agree?
It's absolutely enchanting. I wonder where it came from.
It's magnificent.
And now everyone will know who found it.
A little mischief suits a king, wouldn't you agree?
It certainly makes things more interesting. Look at that, Princess. It's breathtaking, Your Majesty. Where do you think it leads?
Well, Princess, it seems we are committed now. Splendid. I was hoping for a longer journey anyway.
Look, it's perfect.
Look what I found, Princess. Isn't it dazzling?
It's beautiful, Your Majesty.
Oh, how lovely. Where do they lead?
An adventure awaits. Shall we investigate? Oh, look at these beautiful tracks. I wonder where they lead. Have you ever seen anything so lovely, Your Majesty?
Almost as lovely as you, Princess.
Come, let us explore.
Oh my goodness, it floats.
I told you it would, Your Majesty.
Watch this, Princess.
Oh my goodness, careful!
Try to keep up, Princess.
Oh, I can keep up just fine, Your Highness.
Oh, it's absolutely stunning.
The most beautiful bloom I've ever seen, my dear Princess. Welcome to the Lotus Stairway, Princess. Oh, it's absolutely lovely, Your Majesty. We have arrived, Princess. Behold the Sky Temple. It's more beautiful than the legends say. Isn't this place simply enchanting, Your Majesty? I wonder what secrets the temple holds. Rise, Sir Rabbit. We are delighted by your visit. Welcome, Your Majesty. It is an honor.
Oh, the honor is all mine, Princess.
Come now. A proper introduction requires a proper bow. Look at you, the true King of the Moon. Good evening, Your Majesty. It is so wonderful to see you. There, much better, Your Majesty. Don't want it falling off during your watch. The ribbon transforms into a symbol of eternal friendship.
It's so beautiful.
It's absolutely breathtaking, Your Majesty. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful?
Truly a sight fit for a king, my dear. It is even more beautiful than they described. Welcome to the Star Terrace, Princess. Are you ready for our next adventure, Your Majesty? The stars await!
The kind-hearted light.
Thank you, good sir.
Are you sure?
I would be honored. My brave little lion, you are the most handsome cat in the kingdom. Look, Your Majesties, as the stars align, the prophecy foretells a new age of adventure and kindness across the land.
Yes, I have listened closely. You may count on my assistance in this matter.
Look at that, Princess. It's breathtaking, Your Majesty. Where do you think it leads? Oh, look at these beautiful tracks. I wonder where they lead. Have you ever seen anything so lovely, Your Majesty?
Almost as lovely as you, Princess.
Come, let us explore.
My dearest princess, I vow to stand by your side and support you through every challenge we may face.
Thank you, my king. That means the world to me.
Isn't it simply wonderful, Your Majesty?
Indeed, my dear princess. A most sparkling transformation.
The three powers are united at last. Magnificent. I feel braver than ever. Welcome to the Lotus Stairway, Princess. Oh, it's absolutely lovely, Your Majesty.
My loyal subjects, as your majestic ruler, I am proud to announce my greatest achievement yet. Unparalleled.
My dearest friend, your kindness warms my heart. Thank you from the bottom of my paws. Oh, Your Majesty, you look absolutely charming when you blush like that. There you go, little one. Back to your nest now.